Hey, how you doing? I hope you're having a good day. Emiliano here. So in this video, we're going to go over a quick introduction and an explanation to what a funnel is. If you are here to generate your own leads and to understand how the process works and build this system on your own so you can capture your own leads online and not have to rely on a third party to put this together for you, you need to understand what a funnel is. So we're going to go through 4 or 5 slides here really quick, and you're going to have a much better understanding of what a funnel is and how it's going to work for you. Okay, so the first few images that we have here is basically a funnel. So this is in a nutshell what a funnel is. It's a landing page, an opt-in page, and a thank you page. Nothing more. It's boom, 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 3 quick actions to capture your lead. So when you place an ad out there on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Google, wherever it is, you're going to have a call to action or a magnet, something that attracts the buyer or seller to click on your link, right? So when they click on your link, they're going to land on what's called the landing page or the offer page, which is the first image that you see on the top left of your screen. So the landing page provides some quick information and then guides the user to click the one button on the page. There's only one button on the page. There's no distractions for any other buttons for the user to go on to into a different direction. They click on that button and it'll pop up the second image that you see here on your screen, which is the opt-in page. That opt-in page is going to provide the boxes for the user to fill in with the information that you're asking for, which in this case is a first name, last name, best phone number, and a best email for you to return their call or for you to reach back out to them. And after they give you that information, it's going to go ahead and lead them to the thank you page where you can have other calls to action or an upsell or something else. In this case, there's just a phone number if they want to have a quick phone call or direct the user to your Facebook page or to your Instagram page or wherever it is you want to do. So that pop-up that you see at the bottom of the screen, that's actually, it's a pop-up. It's not a second page, it's a pop-up. It shows up in the first screen. So in essence, this landing page has only 2 pages. The landing page and then the thank you page. The pop-up is in between, okay? So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you what a typical website will look like. So a typical website, this is a very nice website, but however, as you can see at the top of the screen, they have many different ways where the user or the lead can actually, find their way out from the website. There's no one specific call to action. There is many distractions on the web page. Okay. Here's another example of another real estate page where in essence, the user can go anywhere. There's 100 different buttons that they can go in any direction, and there's no really way of capturing this lead when there's so many distractions, so many buttons. Okay. So a traditional website guides traffic from wherever it is that you are advertising, and a traditional website is mostly built to provide information. It'll have your logo, your banner, it'll have content, it'll have news, it'll have a blog, it'll have everything that to provide information, but there's really no one specific call to action, which is what you're looking to get, which is a lead. There's many distractions. On the other hand, a sales funnel, again, grabs all that same traffic and leads the user down one path. They don't have any other buttons but to click to go on to the next page, which directs them directly to do exactly what you want them to do. There is no distractions. There's one button on each page, and that one button leads to the next and to the next and to the next, because funnels can be built on several pages. But in this case, I'm giving you an example of a 2-page funnel, which is really the simplest way to capture a lead. And then here is another example of a real estate funnel, which is the offer. In this case, they're offering homes in a certain area, and they want to get a list. And then the pop-up comes up, and they grab the information. And in this case, they have a second option there where it's driving the user to see if they want a free report of the value of the homes selling in their area. So this is really interesting because here not only you're capturing a lead, but you have a way to find out if that lead actually is a homeowner. So now you can maybe not get the lead to sell them a house, but if they're a homeowner, you can probably capture the lead in order to list their property, which is excellent. Okay, so here, this is the software that is definitely needed in order to create these landing pages. And you will need this software if you want to be capturing your own leads online and creating your own websites, because not only will this software allow you to create the lead funnel that I just showed you, but it allows you to create multiple different pages for different if you want to create your own for example, if you have a listing and you want to advertise that listing itself, you want to create the landing page for one specific listing, you can go ahead and do that. So this software is amazing. You guys need this in order to capture your leads. Just like any other business that you have to invest, you have your expenses. If you own a restaurant, you might need to invest in the burger patties and the cheese and the buns and all that. Well, this is a software that is crucial for generating leads online. And there's a link below this video that will take you straight to this website, and you can go ahead and give it a try. In later videos, I'm going to show you how to build the funnel, and I'm going to walk you through it so you have an understanding of how easy it is. I have no design experience and absolutely zero coding skills, but this software allows me to do a funnel literally within minutes. So click on the link below. It'll land you here. This is the website for ClickFunnels. As you can see, they have you can actually try it out for 14 days for free, and start creating your own funnels. I will actually also put some I can share some of my funnels that already are built and have been used, tested, and they are successful. I'll give you some of these funnels. I'll put them in the link below as well. And you, as soon as you try this 14-day, you can go ahead and get access to all those funnels, and they will basically open up in your account. So it'll give you an unfair advantage over the next guy. So while you're still getting together and starting to learn how to actually put these things together, you're just going to have a few funnels there that all you really have to do is maybe change the name, the brand around a few things. So anyways, this is what ClickFunnels is. You go here, you're going to log in, and basically this is what the dashboard is going to, oh, it landed me somewhere else. So here is what your dashboard is going to look like. Where's the dashboard here? Okay, so these are some funnels that I have here. And this is what the dashboard is going to look like. If you want to start building a funnel on your own, you just go here, and it gives you a lot of different options. If you're trying to collect emails, if you're trying to sell a product, if you want to build a funnel to host a webinar, let's say you want to collect emails, I don't know, you name it here. And then you start building your funnel. You got your opt-in page and your thank you page, but we'll go through some of these steps in a later video, and I'll show you how easy it is to build a funnel. Like I said, if you click the link below, it'll take you to this page. Try it for 14 days so you can walk with me through building these funnels in the next few videos, and get the freebies that I have for you in store. Okay, so I hope you guys liked this video. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.